Merry Christmas, everyone! For today's video, I want to share how we celebrated our simple and quiet Christmas. Kasama ko mga kapatid ko at ang sarili kong family, of course. Akala talaga namin kami-kami lang dito sa bahay kasi wala namang nabanggit yung mga kuya ko na pupunta sila ngayong Pasko. With everything that happened before Christmas, ang daming ganda! We honestly didn't expect them. Kaya sobrang nagulat kami nung dumating silang bigla. Of course, we shared a meal together. It was a good and more than enough for everyone. What matters most is we are all together. After dinner, nagkaroon kami ng exchange gift na may something concept like something useful, something round, and other. Super saya namin. May konting agawan pa nga. Pagkatapos noon, lumabas kami para manood ng firework. Ang dami nagpapaputo kagabi, no? Ang ganda panoorin sa labas. Simpleng moments lang, but very special. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung yakapan at pagbati ng Merry Christmas sa bawat isa. And then, may pahabol kaming isang gift. This time, seryosong regalo naman talaga para sa bawat isa. At ang cute lang kasi yung husband ko na mahilig mag-collect ng cup. Namigay siya agabi. Oo, namigay siya. Sabi ko nga, ano makain mo, babe? Ang daming nangyari, no? Parang tagal natin hinintay tong Pasko, tapos biglang nandito na siya. Moments like this really remind us how Christmas binds families together. Kahit lahat busy na sa kanya-kanyang buhay, truly God moves in such a special way. In celebrating the birth of Jesus, families are brought closer together. Celebrating Christmas with your siblings and family is truly amazing. Thank you, Lord! Yun lang. Bye!